much for returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Ronaldin Naipo, and for all my new subscribers, aloha and welcome. So happy Wednesday, everyone. It is already Wednesday. 2 more days, and then it's Friday. This is the third or fourth time that I'm actually filming this video because why? This girl had lipstick in her teeth. Last week Saturday, you folks did not tell me that this girl had, lipstick in her teeth. Nobody in the comment section went ahead and told me that. So, being that this is the second time I'm filming this, and you will know if you are a content creator what it's like to go ahead and do a video and then you have lipstick the whole time in your teeth. So let's go ahead and check. This girl does not have lipstick in her teeth. We're gonna go ahead and start our Wednesday morning chat. Go ahead and tell me down in the comment section, what are you folks doing? Go ahead and let me know what you folks drinking. This girl has her tea with a little bit of water in it. It's kind of transparent because you can't see the flavor. Today we have Ahmad tea. Don't have the box because I need to go ahead and buy another box off of Amazon. But this one is Strawberry Sensation. Strawberry Sensation. So that's what's in there. Let's get hydrated so we can have a chat. So let me go ahead and drink some of this water and we'll get right into probably some of the makeup that I have on because everybody's going to ask me, girl, you need to tell me what's on your lips. So let's go ahead and get hydrated and jump into some makeup products. Hey, so we are hydrated. Don't forget, I'm on tea because one of my subscribers are always telling me, girl, need to go ahead. There we go. Let me know what you're drinking. You know who you are right there. Okay, so we got the tea. Check. The next thing is what kind of lipstick does this girl have on her lips today? God, I feel like Vanna White. Okay, wrong line, just jump into lipsticks. We got Tarte. This one is, and the label is too small, but I went ahead and combined both of these colors. These are actually from Tarte. I love it because it's a little smaller than their usual ones. This girl likes to go ahead and double and triple layer her lipstick. If you've been following me, yeah, we like to go ahead and do those. So let me go ahead and swatch this one for you, darling. The first one is actually called Beach Bum. Like a neutral color. In fact, I'll go ahead and swatch it this way. Ooh, very creamy. You saw that? It's like butter. Gotta love Tarte. You know, because I went ahead and did a dedicated video just on those dual-ended Tarte lipsticks. If you didn't see that, I'll be leaving that down in the description bar. This one is, okay, she's blind. So the next color that we have here, darling, is actually called Top Down. I actually had the label upside down. I have to go ahead and edit that out. Ooh, there we go. We got both of those. These are the two colors that this girl actually has on her lips. These are from Tarte. I'll be leaving them down in the description bar. This is Tarte on my face. Beautiful packaging. Very heavy. But the only thing, okay, I love the color. This one is actually in light medium honey. That's what this girl has on her face. Now it does come in a jar. It does come with a little cover that you go ahead and pop off and you go ahead and remove that. Now I love Tarte because their Amazonian clay works really well with my skin. The only thing that I don't like about this jar is when I go ahead and open it, this is what you actually get. A lot of goopiness that's going on. So what I'll do is I'll open up the cover, put it down on my vanity, scrape off whatever I have on the cover with a sterilized spatula, and then go ahead and use my brush and apply it on my face. Other than that, I think this one works very well. If again, you need to know, light medium honey is my color. That's what's on my face for foundation. So as far as what's on my eyes, we got Tarte. This is their Ladies Night Clay Palette. I know when I went ahead and did my haul on it, I forgot to mention that yes, there is a mirror in there, which is really good. I think this is very travel friendly. This one comes with a blush. It comes with 6 different colors. It also comes, this one also comes with a mild highlighter and a bronzer. So you got the highlighter, you got the bronzer, you got the blush, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors, darling. So that's what's on my eyes today. So we have the lips from Tarte, we have the foundation from Tarte, we have the palette from Tarte. Also, I went ahead and used the Tarte brushes that actually came in this kit. If you didn't go ahead and see the haul, I'm going to be leaving the haul down in the description bar. So I know that a lot of you are like, what's going on with the background? The holidays are over, people. We're over, okay? The tree has been put away. The orchids, the purple ones are back. That's the reason why we have some purple pillows back there. I go ahead and just buy slip covers for pillows, so I'm able to go ahead and swap it out so I can go ahead and mix and match it, and not just use these pillows here, but go ahead and use them in any other area of my home. So if I'm able to go ahead and find the link for the pillow covers, I'll be leaving those links down in the description bar. I had a couple of my subscribers that have a really good eye, because they know that the white orchids, well, some of the white orchids are actually still there, but I went ahead and popped the purple ones back in. So we needed to go ahead and put the purple pink pillows out there so we are well coordinated. Because we are in January, we're going to be going into February, and then it's going to be spring. I know, we just got done with the holidays, and this girl already is talking about spring colors, but we went ahead and put away the tree. Everything is done. The house needs to get decluttered. I know, this girl needs to go ahead and clean her closet. I went ahead and got new scarves from Nordstrom's last year. So this girl needed to go ahead and do a little decluttering video. But before we go ahead and do anything else, I'm going to be running a few errands. So we need to go ahead and find a, pair of purple glasses. This one has a purple tinge to it right there. Very, very good. I do have some high-end eyeglasses. I don't like to have them in the car because if not, they're going to get smashed. Jim is probably going to end up smashing it. The kids are going to end up smashing it. I'm probably going to end up smashing it. I do have my more high-end sunglasses somewhere else that I use for special occasions. So in the meantime, we're going for these more affordable brands right there. Ooh, love it, love it, love it. You know, this girl got to go ahead and coordinate the top with the sunglasses. We got to coordinate, girls. We got to stay classy. So we need to go ahead and coordinate these sunglasses in purple right there. And then we're going to fix my hair, because if not, my hair's going to be sticking up in the rest of this video. So this one, again, we actually got from eBay or Amazon, wherever I find it. If I can find a dupe, I'll be leaving it down in the description bar. This girl needs to go ahead and run some errands. Filming today like a crazy lady to go ahead and catch up after the holidays. So that way you folks will have a video on Wednesday and a Saturday. Now this girl went ahead and did a few car vlogs yesterday, so you might be seeing a couple of car vlogs. So I wanted to go ahead and just address these sunglasses in purple to coordinate with the top. This girl's got to go ahead and coordinate everything. I'm sorry, got to go ahead and coordinate. Remember when I said some of my subscribers went ahead and sent me lipsticks to go ahead and review? Well, this girl actually got, about a week ago, this Profusion lip palette. This one is their high pigmented matte lipstick in rose. There we go. Now, the first thing I'm going to have to address is the packaging. I went on their site. I think the packaging is kind of, I'm going to have to give it like a 3, because when I went ahead and opened it, the mirror that actually came in here was loose. I'm not sure whether, maybe because of the high humidity here, the mirror actually came out, okay? But this girl actually doesn't end up using the mirror. But I'm gonna pop the mirror right back in. That's gonna have to be a downfall for me. I notified this subscriber that went ahead and sent me this and asked her if her mirror was actually loose. And she said that her mirror actually held up really fine. It does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. All of the colors are actually listed down at the bottom. I like that all of the colors start off from a very light color and then work its way down to a much darker color. So you're able to go ahead and mix and match and find out and customize any kind of lipstick color that you actually want. I've been digging away. There we go. You can tell we've been testing some of these colors. She actually went ahead and sent me 2. I'm going to be reviewing these plum colors probably next week, Wednesday. But what I did was I went ahead and swatched all of the colors right there. I think it is very beautiful. It starts off with a very lighter color all the way to a much darker color. These colors are extremely, extremely pigmented. I was totally surprised. So I think that if you're the kind of person that wants to go ahead and customize your lipstick, like me, because this girl likes to go ahead and double and triple layer her lipstick, I think this palette will work very, very well. So I've been using it this last week. I think all of the colors are extremely pigmented. So because I went ahead and tried all these various colors during the week, before I would go ahead and give my review on this, I think the color and the payoff is absolutely stunning. I'm able to go ahead and mix and match and customize the color that I actually want to maybe coordinate it with a top. So if you're the kind of person that you don't want a tube of lipstick, but you want something that you're able to go ahead and customize, I think that this is a very affordable palette. Now, as far as the color payoff, it is extremely pigmented, very moisturizing, but as far as the wear time, I needed to go ahead and reapply this lipstick after 2-3 hours because I think it's extremely hydrating. It didn't hold up very well. So what I did was, and you know what this girl went ahead and did, I went ahead and applied the lipstick color that I wanted. I blotted my lips to take up the excess. I went over with a powder and then applied the lipstick color on again, and after that it held up for like 4 or 5 hours. So I think for the price, it's very affordable. I want to go ahead and thank that subscriber. She already got a notification telling her thank you for sending me this lipstick palette. I wanted to go ahead and actually use it for 1 week, so I'm able to go ahead and show you what the colors actually look like here on my hand, as well as use it in a couple of my videos. So if I'm able to go ahead and see whether I had a couple of transfer issues, what was the wear time, was it hydrating, did it go ahead and come off when I went ahead and drank or ate. Now, of course, if you go ahead and eat, you need to go ahead and reapply this lipstick. Now, I think as far as the packaging, it does go ahead and snap shut, so it won't end up opening. So if you decide you want to go ahead and travel with this palette, you can go ahead and do so. If you're the kind of person that does maybe other people's makeup, if you're the kind of person that maybe does makeup on other people, I think that this might be a great palette for you to start off with and invest into if you're actually doing other people's makeup and you want to go ahead and customize the colors for the special person that you're doing the makeup for. But I wanted to go ahead and review this on a Wednesday because one of my subscribers heard me and said, can you please go ahead and review this? So she went ahead and actually sent it in my P.O. box. So if you have some other items that you want me to go ahead and review, go ahead and send it to my P.O. box, which is actually listed down in the description bar. So my name is Ronaldin Naipo. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on my notification bell because that's what's going to keep you abreast of any of the videos that I upload on a weekly basis. But what I want you to go ahead and do is to go out there, be bold, be beautiful. Don't forget to dress up. And all the way from Hilo, Hawaii, my name is Ronaldin Naipo. Aloha! Happy Wednesday, guys! Bye-bye!